we're going to get the exhaust in the 280. I've nearly finished it. So I've only got to weld that V-band now. Then we'll get the car on the ramp and see what it sounds like. Probably still sound shit because it's an SR20 and they do sound shit. Liam's here today, working on the shitter. He'll lose his YouTube virginity. Fucking about doing note. Right, so Liam has put an alternator in it because it was charging at 18 volts, new battery, and we've also done the start signal for the ECU. First time?
Hopefully, let's see.
So, and it's also got no exhaust on, so you're going to see what, well, hear what an SR20 with no exhaust sounds like. That is the face of disappointment. He can no longer take the piss out of my rotary.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
Exhaust is in, goes down. We just went out for a little drive, and I don't know if you can see that, but that catches on the floor because that's the lowest point, but you can't get it up any higher because that's the front diff mount, and then it goes up over the drive shaft and out the back of the car. This used to be the issue here, where it went around the diff, so that's why I went up on the drive shaft, but now this is the issue. So yeah. Shit, mate,
we'll fix it.
Car's too stanced,
too gay.
Put it on stilts.
Do you think it's going to sound like a bag of shit?
Yeah. First time? Let it fuck. You get a tickle? do now?
Drive it.
Fucking McDee's!
Perfect.